In this video, I will show you how to fix an account restricted on Apple Pay. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID. Now tap on Personal Information. Make necessary changes to your birthday. This can help resolve account restrictions related to age verification. Now open the Wallet app. Tap on the plus icon to add a card. Select previous cards and enter the details of the card you wish to re-add. If it also doesn't help, open the Safari app, search for Contact Apple Support, tap on the first link in the search result, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, select iPhone and choose your iPhone model. Report your problem to Apple through the provided options. And that's it. These steps should help you fix your Apple Pay account restriction. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.